Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the single apple. Wash, core, and chop into 1-2 cm pieces so the blades handle it quickly. Once done, put the pieces into a blender or small juicer. You add 30-60 ml water to help extraction. This improves flow and reduces heat from blending. Make sure to include a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice to slow browning and brighten flavor. You're starting immediately to preserve freshness and maximize juice yield, not just preparing ingredients. Now you move into the core extraction. Pulse the blender 6-8 times to break fruit, then run a steady 20-30 second blend to create a smooth pulp that releases juice. Next, pour the mash through a fine mesh strainer or double-layer cheesecloth over a bowl, and press firmly with a spoon or squeeze the cloth to extract as much liquid as possible. Once strained, taste, and if needed, dilute 1-to-1 with cold water or add 1 teaspoon honey to balance acidity and sweetness. Finally, pour the freshly extracted juice into a glass and serve immediately over ice, or let it chill 10-15 minutes for a cooler, brighter profile. Make sure to store any leftovers in a sealed container in the fridge and use within 24 hours. Shake before serving to recombine settled solids. If your juice is cloudy, bitter, or too astringent, add a little cold water to soften taste or a pinch, 1/8 teaspoon, of salt to reduce bitterness. This simple fix often balances the flavor quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.